Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create a Pinterest account. So Pinterest is an image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information on the internet using images and, on a smaller scale, animated GIFs and videos in form of pinboards. So if you want to create a Pinterest account and you can't figure out how you can do it, watch this video till the end and I'll show you some simple steps to creating your Pinterest account in no time. Now, the first thing, in order to create a Pinterest account, open a browser and go to pinterest.com. Once you go to pinterest.com, you land on an interface like this. This is the home page of Pinterest. So here what you need to do is, on the top right corner, you'll see two options labeled as log in and sign up. So to create a new Pinterest account, select the sign up option. Once you select the sign up option, an e-form will open like this. Here you can create an independent Pinterest account, or you can use Facebook or Google account to continue. So to create a Pinterest account, what you need to do is enter your email, create a password for your Pinterest account and enter your age. So go ahead and do that, enter your email. Once you enter your email, create a password for your Pinterest account. Once you create a password for your Pinterest account, enter your age. Once you enter your age, click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, you will see something like this. Now you have to select a gender, so select a gender and click the next button. Once you click on the next button, you'll need to choose the language or country that you want to use. So I already have English and Nepal, so I'll click on continue. Once you click on next, you'll have to select any 5 of the things that you're interested in, so select those 5 things. Once you select those 5 things, click on the done button. Once you click on the done button, Pinterest will ask you whether you want to download the Pinterest app on your mobile device. If you want to download the Pinterest app, go ahead and scan the code or click on the done button. Once you click on the done button, you'll successfully create your Pinterest account. Now you can enjoy using Pinterest. You can share the images you want to or download the images you want to. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.